What makes Italian women over 50 look so effortlessly chic every fall? It's not about endless shopping sprees or designer price tags. It's about mastering the art of rich-looking combinations that work on any budget. Today, I'm sharing 8 Italian fall outfits for women over 50 boas that will have you looking like you just stepped off the streets of Milan. Outfit 1. The Burgundy Blazer Foundation. Here's where I want you to start. One hero piece that instantly transforms everything you already own. A burgundy blazer in a rich wool blend. Pair it with dark wash straight-leg jeans and a cream silk blouse. Now, here's the Italian styling secret. Push those blazer sleeves up just slightly and leave the blouse untucked at the back. It creates that effortless movement Italians do so naturally. Add pointed toe ankle boots in buttery leather and carry a structured handbag with clean lines. Finish with delicate gold jewelry, a chain bracelet, small hoops, just enough to catch the light. Why it works. Burgundy brings warmth to your skin tone, cream brightens your face, and the undone details make the whole look polished, but never stiff. It's everyday elegance, the Italian way. Outfit 2. The Luxe Coat Signature. Every Italian woman over 50 knows this secret. One extraordinary coat can make even the simplest outfit look expensive. It's your signature piece. Choose a beautifully tailored wool coat in a timeless shade. Think forest green or camel. Look for special details. Horn buttons, a subtle herringbone pattern, or a softly cinched belt. These little touches turn a coat into an heirloom. Underneath, keep it simple and refined. A fine knit in cream or black, paired with tailored trousers or dark, straight-leg jeans. Then, step into polished knee-high boots, cognac for warmth, black for drama. The finishing touch? A silk scarf tied loosely at the neck. Effortless, elegant, and undeniably Italian. With this one coat, every sidewalk becomes your personal runway. Outfit 3. The Art of Proportion. Here's something Italian women master better than anyone. The play of proportions. Picture this. An oversized camel cashmere cardigan worn as a coat, paired with fitted black leggings and sleek, knee-high boots. The contrast of volume on top and slim lines on the bottom is pure Italian genius. Layer a black silk blouse underneath and carry a structured burgundy handbag for that perfect autumn pop of colour. Why it works? Italians never fear volume because they know balance is everything. The cardigan should hit mid-thigh, giving you that cozy wrap effect without swallowing your shape. The leggings? Substantial enough to hold structure, so they look polished, not casual. This look moves seamlessly from your morning coffee run to an afternoon gallery visit. Comfortable, chic, and effortlessly age-proof. Outfit 4. The Elevated Casual Mix. Here's where Italian fall fashion truly shines, mixing dressy and casual pieces for that effortless chic. Start with a silk blouse, soft and fluid, then pair it with well-fitted jeans instead of dress pants. Layer on a navy wool blazer, sleeves pushed up just slightly for that relaxed Italian ease. Now comes the twist. Add crisp white leather sneakers. Yes, sneakers. The silk blouse elevates the denim, the blazer adds structure, and the minimalist sneakers ground the whole look with modern comfort. Complete the outfit with a tan crossbody bag in soft leather and a touch of delicate gold jewelry. It's polished, it's practical, and it proves you don't have to sacrifice ease for elegance. Why it works? Because Italians know that chic doesn't mean uncomfortable. It's about balance, harmony, and details that whisper sophistication. Outfit 5. The layering genius. One of the true secrets behind Italian elegance is layering, done with intention, never bulk. Start with a fitted navy mock neck as your base. Add a cream wool vest over it, then finish with a camel wool coat worn open like a flowing duster. For the bottom, choose wide-leg trousers in charcoal that move beautifully as you walk. Slip into ankle boots with a slight heel, and carry a structured handbag that echoes one of your layers, navy, camel, or cream. Why it works? Each layer has its own length and texture, creating dimension without heaviness. When you move, the fabrics glide together, giving you that unmistakable Italian sense of effortlessness, as if you're floating instead of walking. Perfect for those in-between fall days when the temperature shifts, but style must stay constant. Outfit 6. The unexpected evening transition. Here's something Italian women do beautifully, transforming daytime pieces into evening elegance with just a few subtle changes. Start with a deep plum midi dress in soft wool jersey, a fabric that moves gracefully with every step. For daytime, drape a cream cardigan loosely over your shoulders, continental, relaxed, and elegant. When evening arrives, the magic happens. Remove the cardigan, add a statement necklace in gold or pearls, swap your flats for heeled ankle boots, and carry a small structured clutch. For extra polish, drape a camel or navy wool coat over your shoulders. Why it works? The dress itself is timeless and versatile, while the quick swaps elevate it from casual to sophisticated in seconds. It's practical, chic, and perfectly Italian, style that adapts effortlessly to life's invitations. Outfit 7. The modern professional. When Italian women dress for work in the fall, it's never boring. It's powerful, feminine, and full of movement. Start with wide-leg trousers in charcoal grey, beautifully cut so they flow with every step. Pair them with a fitted burgundy blouse tucked in to define the waistline. Then, add an oversized blazer in matching charcoal, worn open with the sleeves casually pushed up for that signature Italian ease. For cooler days, drape a tailored camel or deep navy wool coat over your shoulders. It adds warmth while keeping the elegance intact. Complete the look with pointed-toe black flats in supple leather and a structured handbag that ties back to your blouse. Why it works? The high-waisted trousers create the longest possible line. The oversized blazer flatters by hitting just below the hip, and the proportions sculpt an hourglass shape without stiffness. This is professional dressing that commands attention with grace, not effort. Outfit 8. The luxurious fur statement. Let's end with pure Italian luxury, the statement fur coat. Whether you choose real or faux, the effect is the same. Instant drama, instant elegance. Opt for a classic silhouette in rich chocolate brown or deep charcoal. Keep everything underneath simple. Black straight-leg trousers, a sleek turtleneck, and ankle boots. This allows the coat to take center stage. Add minimal gold jewelry and a structured black leather handbag. The beauty of this piece isn't just how it looks, it's how it makes you feel. A luxurious coat changes your posture, your presence, and the way you carry yourself. Why it works? Because Italian style isn't about excess. It's about one extraordinary piece that elevates everything else. A well-chosen fur or faux fur coat becomes timeless, an heirloom piece that only grows more beautiful with age. Closing. Italian elegance at any age. And there you have it. 8 Italian-inspired fall outfits that prove looking chic and sophisticated after 50 isn't about how much you spend. It's about texture, proportion, and those effortless details that make every look feel rich and intentional. From the burgundy blazer foundation to the luxurious fur statement, each outfit shows that elegance is a choice you can make every single day. Because true Italian style isn't about perfection, it's about confidence, ease, and knowing how to make the simplest pieces look extraordinary.